Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll start chapter 6 of 10th class polity and CRT. So the heading of this chapter is political parties. Yes. So political parties explains what a political party is and its essential functions like contesting elections, forming governments, making laws and acting as opposition. Key challenges like lack of internal democracy, money power and dynastic succession are discussed. Along with suggested reforms for stronger democratic parties, the chapter also explores different types of party systems and notes on national and regional parties in India. So let's see what is the overview of this chapter. In this tour of democracy, we have come across political parties several times in class 9th. We notice the role of political parties in the rise of democracies, in the formation of constitutional designs, in electoral politics, and in making and working of governments. In this textbook, we have glanced at political parties as vehicles of federal sharing of political power and as negotiators of social divisions in the arena of democratic politics. Before concluding this tour, let us take a close look at the nature and working of political parties, especially in our country. We begin by asking two common questions. Why do we need parties? How many parties are good for a democracy? In the light of these, we introduce the national and regional political parties in today's India and then look at what is wrong with political parties and what can be done about it. Why do we need political parties? And this cartoon, you can pause the video and read this question. You can see various regional and national political parties campaigning by painting on the walls. So what is the meaning of this political parties? You can see various election commission has officially actually banned this kind of wall writing by parties, but still they use this because these are the cheapest way. Okay, so you can see election campaigning before election. Glossary, policies and programs, functions. Glossary, partition, a person who is strongly committed to a party, group or faction. Partisanship is marked by tendency to take side and inability to take a balanced side on a balanced view on an issue. So contest elections, making laws, ruling party, necessity, form parties, form and run government, the role of opposition, shape public opinion, access to government machinery and welfare schemes. So what is there in the glossary section? Ruling party, political party that runs government. Then let us revise section for you guys. You can pause the video and take a look at the picture and what is there in the context of this portion. Okay, how many parties should we have? A moral force in politics. You can read the story by pausing the video. I'll skip this for now. Then here another question. Actually, you should pause the video and answer these questions or just read them because they can help you in brainstorming. Okay, so let us revise section. Pause the video and take a look at it. Popular participation in political parties. I'll skip this. You can pause the video and take a look at it or just skim through it. So you can see what this cartoon depicts over here. You can read the caption of this cartoon also. National political parties. Indian National Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, in short CPIM, Communist Party of India CPI, National Congress, Nationalist Congress Party, state parties, okay. You can see the regional parties in India as of 6th January 2007. Okay, Now these must have changed also. You can see. Challenges to political parties. You can download the PDF of this chapter and have a look at this page, or if you don't want, you can also skip it. Not that necessary. Challenges to political parties. Lack of internal democracy. This is actually a cartoon depicting the Prime Minister of Italy. So you can pause the video and take a look at it and also read this question also. Money and muscle power. Meaningful choice. One party country. You can read this cartoon. Okay. Then another cartoon. And you can answer this question also. So let us revise section for you guys. How can parties be reformed? In glossary section, defection, changing party allegiance, form the party on which a person got elected to a legislative body to a different party. Okay. So how the Election Commission of India maintains the electoral discipline during election times. And then glossary section, affidavit. What do you mean by affidavit? A signed document submitted to an officer where a person makes a sworn statement regarding her personal information. Just wait a second, guys. Okay, so what is a political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government, agreeing on some policies and programs for society to promote the collective good. Functions of political parties. Contesting elections. Parties put up candidates to run in elections and present different policies and programs for voters to choose from. Forming and running governments. The party or coalition that wins the election forms the government and governs the country. Making laws. Parties play a significant role in the law-making process and in the implementation of laws in the legislature. Playing the role of opposition. Parties that lose elections act as the opposition, voicing different views, holding the government accountable, and criticizing its policies. Shaping public opinion. Parties influence public opinion by presenting their ideologies and policies, thereby helping in forming public views. Providing access to government. Parties help people access government machinery and welfare schemes. So now let's discuss about challenges faced by the political parties. Lack of internal democracy. There is often a lack of inner party democracy where power is concentrated in the hands of few leaders. Money and muscle power. The increasing use of money and muscle power in elections can favor rich candidates and marginalize the smaller parties. Dynastic succession. The succession of leadership within parties often follows dynastic lines, affecting opportunities for other capable members. Suggested reforms. Mandating internal party elections. Parties should have a provision for internal party elections to address internal conflicts. Restricting party switching. There should be provisions to restrict elected officials from switching parties. Increasing women's representation, giving 1/3 representation to women candidates in parties. State funding of elections, providing state funding for elections to ensure equal opportunities for candidates from all backgrounds. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Please do share your reviews in the comment section.